the fascinating wildlife of the Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, stretches across North Africa, covering approximately 9.2 million square kilometers. Despite its harsh conditions, the Sahara is home to a surprisingly diverse array of wildlife that has adapted to survive in this extreme environment. From insects to mammals, these animals exhibit remarkable adaptations that enable them to thrive in the intense heat and arid conditions of the desert. Mammals. 1. Dromedary camel. The dromedary camel, often referred to as the ship of the desert, is perfectly adapted to the Sahara. With their ability to store fat in their humps, which can be converted to water and energy when resources are scarce, they can endure long periods without water. Their thick coats reflect sunlight, and their large feet allow them to walk on sand without sinking. 2. Fennec Fox. The Fennec Fox is the smallest of all foxes, but it has the largest ears relative to its body size. These ears help dissipate heat and are also excellent for detecting prey. Fennec foxes have fur-covered feet that provide insulation from the hot sand and allow for silent movement while hunting. 3. Addax Antelope. Critically endangered, the Addax antelope has adapted to the Sahara by developing a light-colored coat that reflects sunlight. They can survive on a minimal amount of water, extracting moisture from the plants they consume. Reptiles 1. Saharan Silver Ant. These ants are known for their remarkable speed, running up to 1 meter per second. They venture out during the hottest part of the day when predators are less active. Their long legs keep their bodies elevated above the hot sand. 2. Desert monitor lizard. The desert monitor lizard is a large, carnivorous reptile that can grow up to 1.5 meters in length. It burrows to escape the intense heat and can survive on minimal water by deriving moisture from its prey. 3. Horned viper. The horned viper is a venomous snake with distinctive horns above its eyes. It buries itself in the sand to ambush prey and escape the heat, using its horn-like scales to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. Birds. 1. Desert sparrow. The desert sparrow thrives in the arid environment of the Sahara, feeding on seeds and insects. It nests in acacia trees or rocky crevices, and its plumage provides excellent camouflage against the sandy landscape. 2. Brown-necked raven. This adaptable bird scavenges for food and is known for its intelligence. The brown-necked raven can find sustenance from a variety of sources, including carrion, insects, and even small reptiles. 3. Lappet-faced vulture. One of the largest vultures in Africa, the lappet-faced vulture has a wingspan of up to 2.9 meters. It plays a crucial role in the ecosystem by scavenging dead animals, helping to keep the environment clean and disease-free. Insects. 1. Desert locust. Desert locusts are infamous for their swarming behavior, which can cause massive agricultural damage. They are highly mobile and can travel great distances in search of food, devastating crops and vegetation along the way. 2. Dung beetle. Dung beetles are vital for nutrient recycling in the Sahara. They roll dung into balls and bury it, which helps aerate the soil and promote plant growth. Adaptations for survival. The wildlife of the Sahara has evolved various adaptations to survive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Common adaptations include nocturnal behavior to avoid daytime heat, physiological adaptations to conserve water, and specialized feeding habits to make the most of scarce resources. These adaptations highlight the resilience and ingenuity of life in the Sahara Desert.